Hey, what's up, guys? Alright. Let's do a quick card trick, right? And just to let you guys know that's our first video so far, right? If you see, right? Let me just do this. There we go. Alright, guys, welcome back to the tutorial. This trick is actually very simple. Just follow the directions and hopefully you'll succeed. Go out and perform to other people. I have done it very good. I like it. It is very powerful. I have seen a lot of magicians have performed it. I have seen Smoothini, the Ghetto Houdini. I have seen David Blaine perform it before. I also have seen what's his name? This is the other magician that I actually forgot his name. Alright. So this trick, all you're doing is as talking to them, distract them. You're gonna just split the deck in half. You want about a quarter of the deck. Alright? As talking to distract them, you want to palm it. So you palm that quarter of the deck. Palm it and just drop your hand to the side. Alright? If you sit on the table, just drop it like that on the table. Don't try to do this. Like that, like letter obvious. Just drop it, be normal. Loosen up, don't try to do this. It's obvious, just drop it, loosen up. Talk to them, draw their attention to this pile of the deck. Alright? Then do whatever you want. Then all you're doing is just bringing it up, release into your mouth, then just take it out like that.